There are not a lot of people here right now because we just started. But let's give it like 5 more minutes, and we'll be right back when more people are on the stream. Like, share, and subscribe, and you can put in the pairs you want analysis on or any other comments in the comment section. I will do some analysis on crypto, foreign exchange pairs, and whatever pairs you put in the comment section. So with that being said, let's take a 5 minutes short break, and we'll start in about 5 minutes. Alright guys, hope you can hear me properly. Let me know if you can hear me properly. Let me lower the volume of the music a bit. Alright, so let's begin. Let me write this down. Some people said they want analysis on euro card. Okay. What else? GBPJPY, GBPJPY. I will do on EURUSD. I will also do on USDJPY. I might also look at GBPJPY and gold. And what else? Okay, so Ekene Nwabuju says EURUCAD. Ekene also says GBPCHF. And Anil Swarup says hello. He said, I noticed you trade with something else. Do you ever reduce this, and how do you manage your emotion, particularly when you're in profit? Okay. Again, I noticed you trade with 20 lot sizes. Do you ever reduce this, and how do you manage your emotion, particularly when you're in profit and notice that the profit is dropping due to the market? Okay, you say you hear me loud and clear. Okay, let me start from it. Do you reduce this, and how do you manage emotion particularly? In terms of emotion, I've been using the same system for a long time. When you are using a bad system, every time you lose, your emotion gets worse. So that means you are getting more scared, you are getting more confused, your level of assurance is reducing. That means you are not assured about your trades. Every time you need to take a trade, you need so many confirmations because you are so scared of the trade losing. But when you have a working system, you don't go through all that. You win your trades. The more trades you win, the more confidence you gain. I know most mentors tell you to just have confidence in your trade, but that's not how you don't just wake up and say I have confidence in my trade. No, you gain confidence from seeing something work over and over and over and over again. So I've seen my system work over and for years. Imagine you are driving a car. The more you drive the car, the better you get. So I've been using this system for a long time, scalping, making trades. You can see that I've been growing 3 different accounts. I've even grown multiple accounts. I have $200 playlist. You can watch it. I recorded the trades. That's before I was streaming. I recorded the trades from start to the end. I've been streaming accounts. I've been streaming from the moment I start trading the accounts to wherever the account is right now. So when I see my system work, you get more assured. You gain more confidence. I don't need to be desperate or greedy because I have at least 20 trading days in a month. If I don't make profits today, I have another day to make profits. Do you understand? Most traders don't know when they are going to make profits. Most traders don't know when next they are going to. So anytime they have a little opportunity to make profits, they just quickly rush it. And that's bad habits. When you are using things like support and resistance, which is just guessing, give yourself bad habits. When you are using indicators like moving average, Bollinger Bands, which can never ever predict the future. You can just type it on Google to find out what indicators are. Indicators are a bunch of calculations of what has happened in the past. They can never ever predict the future. So when you are using things like that and you think you are going to use it to predict the future, when it doesn't work, which obviously it will not, I don't know why some of you, when it doesn't work, I don't know why some of you act shocked. Something that doesn't work will not work. But most of you, from some dumb YouTube videos or some dumb mentors, you get shocked when it doesn't work. Can they show you on their own live accounts them using it and it's working for them? So if they are not using it to make profits, at least let them give you 1 month, of results showing that their moving averages or Bollinger Band or whatever is working. Yeah, whatever is working, they can't show you that. But before I continue, let me just put some links. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you want to learn how to use my system, which is scalping and holding your trades and all the things you've been seeing me doing, you can go to the website. And if you want to use the broker that I use, you can just sign up here. And you can follow my Instagram page. And let's see, you can check more than 1 year results. Okay, I have almost 2 years of live trading verified results. You can just click my FX book and go and check it and see it yourself. Okay, show me your support and resistance and price action and moving average and whatever. Let them show me 1 month result. I'm not even asking for a year. Let them show me 1 month result of them using that nonsense. They don't even use it on their accounts. All they do is teach you on TradingView. I don't even know why some of you, some of you, they teach you on trading view, then you guys go and use it on your live account. It doesn't make sense, but you guys do it anyways. So I can't tell you to stop doing that. Maybe when you lose so much, you lose and lose and lose and lose. No, in fact, some of you guys don't listen. Some of you guys have been losing for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and you still use those dumb methods, so what can I say? Anyway, yeah, so I don't know why you guys do it. You see someone teaching you on trading view, you see someone teaching you on demo accounts, and then you go and trade it on your live account and expect it to work. And when it doesn't work, you guys act shocked, which is really But when you are using a real system, just 1 minute. When you are using a real working system, all you do is bank money. And some of you guys have practiced using that nonsense system for so long that you guys have forgotten why you are here. You are here to make money. You are here to make profits. You are here to make as much profits as you can. And yeah, some of you guys forget that. You go into trading view, you start chatting with a lot of losers, and then you forget why you are there, and then you want to create a community, and it's just a community of losers. No one is really winning. Everybody just putting their suggestion. That's why some people, when they come here and they find my channel for the first time, they start putting, oh, buy, oh, why don't you sell? Bro, I have made more than 100% of my account, and I live streamed everything. You don't even have $100 to show for yourself. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me to buy. Don't tell me to sell. Don't tell me to take profit. Don't tell me what to do if you cannot show $50 live account results. It is so infuriating and so annoying. Do not turn my comment section into Telegram chat section. You want to be a loser? Go to where the losers are. Go to Telegram, Trading View chat section. There are a lot of losers that will love your presence there. A lot of people say I have bad attitude. I have bad attitude to losers. You are a loser. You cannot show me 1 month result. So do not come to my comment section to tell me what to do with my trades. It's that simple. If you don't like what I'm saying, unsubscribe. You can go and keep losing with the other losers. You can go and, I don't need you to subscribe to my channel. I don't need you to buy my course. Go and lose in peace. Do not come to disturb my peace. My channel is not here to come and be making suggestion of what to buy or what to sell. I am trading live. I am trading real money. I'm not playing with you. Do not play with me. If you want to learn, then get the course. If you want signals, you want analysis, now on the channel, you can just join. Starting from next month, let me even talk about this. Starting from next month, I will start doing private live streams like this. I'll start doing private analysis like this every week. When I do this free, just the free analysis, I do it whenever I want. You can't demand and say, oh, you are not seeing me do analysis. Some of you guys, some of the things you say doesn't even make sense. Do I work for you? I do not. I am just a trader who is trading live and who is live streaming to show you that there is something out there that works. I'm even giving you the privilege to live stream my private trades for you guys to see. Then somebody in the comment section will say, oh, I'm not doing free analysis. You did not employ me. I do free analysis when I feel like. If you want something on your own, if you want something that you can have whenever you want, you get the course, or you click the join button on the YouTube channel starting from next month to join me on my private analysis. There, you know that at least, oh, this guy is going to come and do analysis around this time. It is short, you have a perfect time, you have a perfect schedule. You have something that you paid for. When you didn't pay for nothing, if you want something free, you can unsubscribe and go to all those free channels. They don't trade on their live account, so they can give you whatever free analysis you want. Obviously, they don't care what happens to the trade because they are not trading it on their live account. You get the satisfaction of copying free trade and losing. Plain and simple, so that you can complain that this system doesn't work, because that's what you actually want to do. Because what you are doing is stupid. You are going to go and collect signals from somebody who is not risking zero amount, and you expect to grow your account, you expect to make profit. If that is what you want, you are free to go to all those other channels and lose in peace. Do not disturb my peace. I did not learn to trade just so that you can disturb my peace. My camera went off. I'll put it back on now. So, these are some of the things that has to be addressed. You said, how much is your package? You're 100% right, bro. I wish I met you earlier on. I need your course. Yes, a lot of people come and say, oh, I wish I met you earlier on. Please, can you give me for free? That's just crazy. I did not make you lose. I did not give you bad experience. I am not the reason you have been losing since. I am not the reason that you took your own money, paid someone who is not trading live, and lost. So why should I give it to you for free? You did not use your common sense. So why should I give it to you for free? Is it my fault? No. So sorry about you guys going through all that, but it is not my fault, and I will not do anything free. And I'm not begging you to buy my course. I'm not begging you to subscribe. Just use your common sense next time. If somebody is not willing to risk their own money on what they teach you, why the fuck are you using it on your own account? It's just common sense. Anyway, at Ekene, I'll just put the link. You can go to the website. Okay, you can find out the courses there. And you guys, when you go to the website and see the courses, click on the courses. Okay, click on the courses. When you click on the courses, it explains what the courses offer. If you cannot afford the course, you don't want analysis till you can grow your account and compound. Starting from next month, I'm saying it here, starting from next month, analysis like this, it will not just be random. Okay, when I give free analysis, I just do it whenever I feel like. I post it in my free Telegram group. Whenever you get the notification, you can join just like this now. But if you want it on a schedule, join the signal/analysis sessions that will start next month. You can simply join from YouTube. Okay, click the join button, and at the end of the month, if you want me to look at your account and see, we will just have a one-on-one session. Okay, after the private analysis and the private signals, at the end of the month, we can have a private chat. I'll look at the trades that you made on your account, the lot sizes, and I'll advise you on what to do next. So there are different perks that you can join. If you just want to show support because I'm live streaming my private trades, you can start with that. If you want the signals, you can do that. And if you want added consultation, the option is there. So starting from the end of the month, I would advise you to join. Click the join button on the YouTube channel. I don't know if it's showing. If it's showing, let me know. If it's not showing, you can also let me know. Let me check now. And I think I'm done with all this. And oh yeah, so it's there. You can join. It's available now. So we can start the analysis on what is this? Ah, okay. Yeah, I was checking my channel. You said you are having, are you talking about the YouTube? Are you talking about you said you're having difficulty paying? Are you talking about the YouTube or the course? Are you talking about the signals of the course? Okay. You said yes. I don't know what you're talking about. The YouTube. I don't know why you're having difficulty. I think YouTube is the easiest, but you can send me a message on Telegram later on if you're still having difficulty. I've done my ranting, and I'll just drop the links again, and then we will start analysis on the pairs. If you want any pairs that you want analysis on, it doesn't matter if it's a crypto pair, it doesn't matter if it's a foreign exchange pair, put that in the comment section, and yeah, I will start the analysis. We will start with Bitcoin, then we will go into the other pairs that have been suggested. Like I said, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp, and you can also join the free Telegram group. Okay, so 1 minute. Let's see. All right, so we are ready. So let's begin. Let's look at Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. I remember when they were talking about the what they call it, Ethereum merging or whatever. You see, buy the news, buy the rumors, sell the news. And this is what happened. I still expect Bitcoin to go all the way down to at least, let's see, it stopped at 17,500. I expect it to go all the way down to 15,000, like I said, and then 12,000. Okay, between 13,000 and 12,000. I'm still expecting it to be bearish. Now there are no more rumors. Now there's no more news. Now there's nothing to, artificially keep pushing it up. So it's been dropping and dropping, dropped below 20,000, dropped below again, dropped below again. Today I expect the same thing to happen. We have till, the end of the week, more drops. Now what I want to see is a drop below 18,500 for us to go on that massive crash all the way down to break the last previous low, okay, which was let's see, where was it? Yeah, around 17,500. I don't want to go all the way back, so let's move on to the next pair, which is EURUSD. Let's see, where is EURUSD? Just 1 minute, let me reply some messages from and maybe we will look at some live trades also. I'm sure you guys noticed I've been trying to sell. Yesterday I tried 4 times, sorry, not sell, to buy 4 times to buy USDJPY, but the market was mostly consolidating. So in Yuondo's, Katongo said, I don't know if I butchered your name, I hope I didn't butcher your name. Kantondo says he added to the list, which is let me see, okay, which is let's look at it, USD card. So I'll add USD card to the list of pairs that we'll do analysis on. And yeah, let's see, where are we? Just let me reply one more message and we'll begin. So you can get preferred money. Just 1 minute, guys. I just wanna drop something. Let's see. I need to update something. Boom. I need to copy something from somewhere. Let's see. 1 minute. Hello, Yamen Habib. No, I don't trade indices. Hello, Pios Mitayamo. Can you guys tell me where you guys are from, by the way? Type it in the comment section. Let me know where you guys are from and where you guys are watching from. Let's see. All right. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot. So from Malawi, from Zambia, from Virginia, USA. Let's see, from Los Angeles. Okay, wow. From Nigeria, okay, that's a lot of people. All right, so 1 minute, let me just reply a message and then we'll begin, guys. Let me see, guys, remember to join the free Telegram group. Let's see. All right. Someone says Peru, Malaysia. Oof, wow, that's a lot. All right, guys, so 1 minute. Let me just drop the links so you guys can see the links and join the Telegram group. And also learn more about courses and everything. So yeah, if you want analysis on any of the pairs, I'm doing a lot of pairs like Euro card, USD card, Euro USD, USDJPY. I usually don't do this free analysis session all the time. So when you have the opportunity to ask questions, when you have the opportunity to get free analysis, you know, just take advantage of it. And yeah, someone says they are from the UFO, so you are from outside this planet. You have good internet connection. I'm happy for you. You said for how long have I been in this industry? Well, I've been trading for the past 10 years. You like my work, and I like your work. I had improved. I don't know what that means. All right, so let's just get back into the analysis. Okay, so Euro card. So where were we? Let's look at it. Let me just this here. Put this here. Put this here. Let's see. All right, so where are we? All right, my bias on Euro card is long. Okay, from where we are, if the market continues to go long, I would expect it to reach at least 1.33. okay, let's see how many pips that is between here and here. Okay, yeah, I expect it to reach at least 1.33 before the end of the day, even though we have this what do you call it, bearish engulfing candle on the 1 hour time frame. I feel like it's just the markets trying to induce people into taking sells. Okay, in the long run, I expect the market to continue to go up and reach at least 1.33. Today is Friday, so we may not see a lot of movements in the markets, but if we do, I expect the market to continue to go long to 1.33. If you want to take a gamble, this is something I would look at. Okay, where is it? But this isn't something I would trade personally. I don't like to take gambles like this. Yeah. Actually, I do like to take gambles like this. Okay, so I would go for something like this, and I would exit somewhere around here. This is about almost a 5-to-1 ratio trade. I would take this gamble, but I would hedge out the trade. Okay, I wouldn't want to use a, let me see, how much is the stop? Maybe it's a gamble that I'll take with us. Yeah, maybe it is. Yeah, but my long-term bias is long. Okay, I expect the market to continue to go long to at least 1.330. So yeah, not that complicated. I don't have to sit down for 5 hours and do draw this line, put that indicator, put this one, put that one. Just simple market analysis. But if, for example, the market is going all the way down, let's see, if it breaks all the way down below 1.31, okay, which is very far, by the way. I don't expect markets to go down all the way to 1.31 today. I don't see it happening. But long term, if the market does, maybe around Monday, Tuesday, next week, it starts going below 1.31, I expect it to go at least to 1.300. Okay, so the market is already even doing what I said it's going to do. So what is next on our list? GBP So as you can see, I don't really trade GBP so it's not even on my list. But let's see, let's move on to GBP and see what's happening. Okay. GBP is done. I don't expect any more moves from GBP. You know, I don't know why someone said I should do analysis on GBP. Probably you are in a losing trade. That's why. Because I don't understand what you're expecting to happen on GBP. Maybe you are in a buy. The person who told me to do analysis on GBP most likely is in a buy position, and the trade went against them. You know, they would have probably been looking for support somewhere around here or somewhere around here, you know, and they're in a losing trade. They probably removed their stop loss. You know, I expect GBP to continue to go all the way down. Okay, my long-term bias, even if it continues to go all the way down, I expect it to go to at least 1.090. Even if you have a pullback, okay, I would expect the pullback to go all the way to 1.1. okay, and then still drop all the way to 1.09. So if you're in a buy trade on GBP and you're expecting it to go up, you've lost the trade. Okay, unfortunately. This is why you need to learn how to hedge. This is why you need to learn how to trade. This is why you need to understand the market. Okay, what you see, if all those people telling you to use support and resistance will just keep on putting you in losses, and your account will just if you are ready to make real cash, because everybody keeps forgetting why they're there in the foreign exchange market, which is to bank a lot of money. Obviously, get the course, buy the course, start taking lessons from someone who is actually implementing what they say, and who is actually going to teach you with their own account, going to actually teach you with live trades. Okay, or you can just keep on going back to people who are teaching you on TradingView and then telling you to go and trade it on your own live account. Your choice. For everyone is always their choice, and the results on your account will always show. So Ekene says thank you. Let's see, you're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. Shinin Son says, this is my first time here, how do I call you? Usually if you want to call me, you have to book a consultation, but you can just send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. So I just put the links in the comment section there. Let me see. So you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Oh, my name is Solomon. Okay. So someone says EURUSD. EURUSD is on the list. After I'm done with GBPCHF, we move on to EURUSD. You said my sound effects are too loud. Sorry about that, but that's what it is. I'll work on it during the next live stream. And when is the next live stream going to be? I don't know. But like I said, if you want to join the private signals, where I'll be starting from next month, I'll start doing private signals on live stream. It's going to be more in depth. I'll be showing you more, and I'll be talking about more entries, more about exits. I'll be showing you more details about it. It's going to start next month. If you click the join button on the YouTube channel right now, you will see the perks and the options to join the signal program, which is going to start next month. Okay, so then you have more of a schedule. Every week we will be doing analysis, we will be giving signals, we will be working on it just like we're working here. You can ask more questions, and also if you want an added extra perk, which means that at the end of each month I will call you, we will look at your account, how you've copied my signals, where you can improve, what questions you have, just extra things. So it will be more in-depth and everything. Or if you want to just buy the course, that way you can have the software that gives you signals on your own. You know, it's going to give you signals on when to buy, when to sell, where to buy, where to sell, where to exit, when and where to hedge, you know, so many other things, the market direction and all these kind of things, the long-term market direction, the short-term market direction. That's what, so the software gives you the power. It will just be like, I am there beside you. Okay, and for you to be able to use the software, I have to teach you. That's why you have to get the course. Okay, so someone says Shagwad Party, I hope I didn't butcher your name. Yo, what's good? You trade round numbers. I see. I don't trade round numbers. Okay, if you believe I trade round numbers and you want to go on your own live account and implement what you don't know, you are free to do that. But if you want to know exactly what I'm doing, you can just buy the course. For all those people who come to my channel and see me do something and you just guess and apply it on your channel, you are free to do that. Nobody's telling you that. Nobody's telling you to do this or do that. I don't know why you guys have taken the bad habits that you guys do in TradingView chat section. You go, you see people's analysis, you have no idea what they are doing. You just take suggestion from anywhere and start applying it on your own live account. And then what happens? And you start acting shocked. You know, you start acting shocked and surprised, which is crazy. So if you want information, and some of the trades that I take on a live stream, some of them I'm just making experiments, some of them I'm just gambling because I already have the experience. I've already made profit. I'm gambling with the market's money. I'm making experiments with the market's money. You guys will just come there with no information, nothing, you don't know what I'm doing, and start copying the trades. That's bad. That's very bad. You may think that you are being smart, but you are just teaching yourself bad habits, which will not help you in the long run. When you take a trade, you should be assured of what is going on. You should know what you are going to do when the trade, if the trade goes bad, because you can never have a fixed bias in the market. If you have a fixed bias, you will always lose. If I see the market is going up and I see the market going down, I will surely change my bias. I'm not going to stick to it. How would you know that I've changed my bias? Exactly. So you are just gambling. I don't know why you guys gamble with your live accounts. You guys don't respect your live accounts. And I know why that is. It's because you've never made withdrawals on your live accounts. You've never made money consistently from your live accounts. All most of you have done is deposits. That is why you don't respect your live account. If you have made withdrawals on your live account, if you have actually made withdrawal, $500, $1,000, the market's money, you would treat your accounts with more respect. But anyways, it's your choice, your account. I don't care. You can do whatever you want with it. Simple. If you're not a student and you're making all those gambles and expecting a different result, you know what the market is going to do. The moment you enter a bad trade, let me see, the market is going to look at your accounts, tear it into pieces, and that's the result of what is going to happen. But remember, guys, never forget why we're here. We're here to make money and cash it out. grow our account and compound. Okay. So Barty, you are wrong. You said the platform, the software runs on MT4 and MT5. How much is it to buy the course and how long does it take? I don't understand what you mean by how long does it take. You can get the course has different versions. It all depends on you. Okay, so let me just put the link to get the course here. Okay, and I'll explain I'll just do a brief explanation of the course because I want to get back into the analysis and answering questions. The course has different versions. It all depends on you. How long have you been doing rubbish? How long have you been using a shit system? You would tell yourself the truth. Do you have bad trading habits? Then that means you have to spend longer time with me, because learning how to use my system is easy. It's very straightforward. You can learn it in one day. That is why I have a one-day course. Okay, but if you have added extra bad habits, things like not being confident in your trade, being scared, things like psychological, because sometimes people know what to do but they cannot do it because they have fear from old systems, they enter trade late, they so many other bad habits. They keep on using indicators, they cannot stop using it. If you have all those kind of bad habits, you've been using a shit system for a long time and you need somebody to help you with the psychological part, then I would advise you to get at least the 1 month program or at least the in-person program. The in-person program, I can see you in person. We will take live trades together. I will see you trade. I will see you take your trades. As you are taking your trades, I will be correcting you step by step, holding your hand all the way. If you have psychological issues with trading because you've been using a shit system for years, then I'll advise you to get more than the 1 day course. But if you have no psychological issues, you can learn the system in 1 day. So just click each course and see what service they provide. If you just go to the service page and just see prices and see the courses, you're not going to get in-depth information. Click the course and read through the list of what it offers. So Ekene again says, I wish I met you earlier enough. It says, you are talking to me directly. I am deeply appreciative to this moment of reality. Thanks a million. I am taking a new turn now. So Ekene, you're welcome. So let's see. You said the sound effects volume exploding your speakers. I'll work on it. Or maybe let me just see the explosion. Let me just see if I can reduce the volume on the explosion part. Let me see. Explosion. Because I think a lot of people are complaining about the explosion part. Let me see. Okay, explosion. So I'll just reduce the volume a bit for you guys. And yeah, it won't be so loud again. All right, so Elam Wise. Okay, you seem new on the channel. I think some new people have joined also. If you didn't tell us where you were from before, you can just put that in the comment section. And Shinin Son, where are you from, by the way? Your name sounds Asian. Are you from Korea, Hong Kong? Where are you from? China? So you are waiting for the GBP CHF signals to put orders, Solomon. First time I see you stream Swiss franc. I have a playlist. That means you haven't checked through my channel. If you check through my channel, I have different playlists. I have playlists with like sessions like this. You can just go and watch it. So that's what a lot of people do. Oh, I don't see you do this. Oh, I don't see you trade this. So the moment you start saying things like that, I know that you didn't go through my channel. You haven't watched my videos. I have almost 400 videos, guys. 400 videos. I have multiple playlists. Most of you guys don't check it, and you just say, oh, you don't do this, you don't do that. So you said GBP signal. I already spoke about GBP CHF. Oh, okay. This is actually GBP CHF. I'm not done with it. I was just answering some questions. I already spoke about it. That is already. I still expect a bearish bias on GBP CHF. We can already. I think it's done for the day. Okay. I don't expect any more bearish movements. Even if it does have, it's going to be targeting 1.09. But maybe that's gonna happen next week. Even if we have a pullback, I still expect it to drop. Okay, But if we start seeing the price go above, let's say 1.105, then I would expect the movement to start to go, beyond 1.10 and go all the way to let's see 1.115. But I think GBPCHF is done for the day. Someone asked me about GBPCHF, but I think they are in a losing trade. That's why they asked me, because there's nothing more to do on GBPCHF for today. It's done. And if you want to know why I think it's done, if you want to know why I have all this bias, just buy the course, or you can just get the signal service by clicking the join button. We'll start doing private live streams like this. You can join straight from YouTube. You become a member, and we'll be having private scheduled sessions, okay, every week, okay, at least 2 times a week. And if there's any quick change in the market, we'll add some extra analysis / signal live stream, and you get the announcements straight directly from YouTube. So yeah, you said you are from Vietnam. You translate your Vietnamese name into English, it means SS. You like that? That's good that you like your name. Not fresh. They said, what about GBPJPY? GBPJPY is in the list. It's going to be after EURUSD, and EURUSD is going to be after USDJPY and EURUSD, and those are after GBPCHF. So you have to wait and relax. Once I'm done with GBPCHF, EURUSD, USDJPY, then we're moving to GBPJPY. Okay, so that's for not fresh. Elam says is from Sweden. Okay, that's very close. So if you want to have an in-person session, that's also very easy and possible. You can just come straight to Amsterdam. So let's see. Shining sun. I kept on saying shining sun. Or I don't know which one is correct. Shining. Let me just say shining sun. They said, yeah, because I watched your stream about 3 weeks and only see JPY stream, so I made a mistake. I will check your video list then. Okay, so Ekene says, okay, so before we get into the next pair, which we are going to do analysis on, which is EURUSD, let me just drop the links in the description below. You can read through it in the comment section, and then we'll jump on EURUSD analysis next. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's jump straight into EURUSD. Where is EURUSD? Where are you? All right, so EURUSD, I think it's done for the day also. However, if it continues to go down, I expect it to go to at least 0.990. Okay. Someone just messaged me if I'm taking any live trades. Yes, I'm still trying to take live trades. I'll share what trade I'm taking right now. It's the usual that I've been trying to take since. So you can see that's the live trade that I'm in right now. Yeah, but let's get back into the analysis. Boom. Okay, so yeah, so EURUSD, my bias for EURUSD is short. I expect the market to continue to go short. Where I would look out from, if because Euro and USD have been battling it out. Okay, they've been battling it out for a long time. I've done a lot of analysis on EURUSD, and I've been saying it since. I still expect EURUSD to keep on dropping. If I expect the pullback, I would expect a pullback to at least let's say 0.9975 or to straight back to 1, okay, and then we'll drop straight all the way down to 0.990. So that's my target, okay, either for next week or for before the end of today. My target for the market is going to reach at least 0.990, as long as it doesn't go beyond 1.0 again. So yeah, that's Euro USD. Not much to look at, it's done for the day already. And let's move on next to USDJPY. So where's USDJPY on the list? Okay, let me just reply a message on Telegram. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm just replying some messages on phone, and then we'll get back right into it. If you have any other peers that you want analysis on, or any other questions, you can type that in the comment section also. Guys, remember to join the free Telegram group so that you don't miss out on when I do free analysis or when I'm giving out some information. Oh yeah, let me also put that in the Telegram group also about the Okay, so I've put an update. Let's see, about the signals in my Telegram group. Okay. Giving an update. Okay. So yeah, people can know more about the private Telegram group. All right, let's look at Euro USD. Oh, actually, not Euro USD, USDJPY. I have a song in my mind and I'm trying not to sing it because of copyright rules. Even if I hum it, they are going to maybe put a strike, but I don't want that. But after the session, I'll listen to the song. It keeps ringing in my mind. All right, where are we on USDJPY? USDJPY is kind of, how do I put it? How do I put it? I'm trying to make a gamble on USDJPY. Normally, I should be selling USDJPY. Okay, I should try to be selling USDJPY all the way down to at least let's look at it. At least at least 142.5. okay, at least 142.5. But I've been trying to take a lot of gambles to buy USDJPY. So, you know, I have my own how do I put it, bias on USDJPY. So I wouldn't really want to give like an analysis on it, or like, okay, for example, now USDJPY is not in a good position to take trades on, you know, so I will just leave it. It's not a good position to take trades on. What I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to take a gamble. I can hedge out of my trades, so I can gamble whatever I want. Okay, I'm trying to take a gamble to take a buy to 145. Okay, at least 145. However, USDJPY should be going down to at least 142.5. okay, technically speaking, but I have my own personal bias on it. So let's just move on from USDJPY and go straight to GBPJPY. Usually I don't like trading, and I don't actually trade the GBP pairs, but same thing with I think we looked at GBPCHF. okay, it's the same bias, you know, it's done for the day. I don't see anything happening anymore. Even if it pulls back, maybe it's going to pull back all the way to maybe 164, 163.5, but eventually, you know, I expect it to go all the way down to at least 162.5. But is it going to do that today? I don't think so. I think it's done for the day. Okay, I think it's done for the day. I don't expect any more movements in the market. However, if I do see however, if I do see let's see, if I do see the market going above around here, no, around 164.5. If I do see the market go above 164.5 to, let's say, if I do see the market going above 164.5, I would expect the market to start going long. Yeah, but I don't see that happening. So let's move on to the next pair, which is gold. Well, let's move on to USD card first before we look at gold. Okay, and let's end it with gold for now, since those are all the pairs that they want analysis on. John says, hey, hello, where are you from? Elon White says, is USDJPY my favorite pair? It is one of my favorite pairs. My favorite pairs are mostly USD pairs. USDJPY, EURUSD, USDCHF, AUDUSD. What else do I like trade? AUDJPY. Okay, so someone says someone is knocking at my door. No, someone is trying to fix something. No one is knocking at my door. Okay, so Mindank says, I really butchered your name. So says, hi, did I miss XAUSD? No, you did not. I'm going to do XAUSD after I'm done with USD card. So you're welcome. Let's see. Is the clapping too loud too? I hope the clapping is not too loud, because you guys should be clapping. But anyways, even if it's too loud, I'm gonna leave it like that. So let's get back into the market. So USD card. Yeah, I like trading USD card also. Let's go straight into it. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. All right, USD card. It's done for the day also. Actually, a lot of pairs got done before London session. I expect it to at least reach 1.330 before the end of the day. Yeah, and then even if there's going to be a pullback, I would expect maybe a pullback down to 1.325. And then we should still continue to go all the way up to 1.330. Okay, even if it doesn't touch 1.330, pull back down to 1.325, and my bias is going to hit 1.330. Now, if I'm looking for where do I see that the market is, it's trading a USD card right now, I wouldn't say you should take a trade on it unless maybe you are taking a sell, which is like a gamble. But yeah, if you can hedge, then there's no problem in taking a sell. But most of you guys can't. You guys use a stop loss. You can never grow or compound an account using a stop loss. Just know that. But you guys can keep on doing whatever you want. It's your account anyways. But for my students, they know. So yeah. Now, because if I'm looking at it, USD card can still even drop all the way down to 1.320, and then I would still look at it to go to that 1.330 mark. Yeah. So even if it has a pullback, in order to induce traders to take sell positions, in order to fool traders into taking sell positions, I will be looking for buys all the way on USD card. That's just my opinion for now. If there's going to be a change, if there's going to be a that's up to you to look at it. Like I said, this is just a free analysis. I'm not going to keep on doing continuous updates. If you want that, join the private Signal group that starts next month. You can just click the join button on YouTube. So yeah, let's now move on to the finale, which is gold. I told you guys from the last analysis, yeah, it's going to drop all the way down. All right, you can even see it there. So yeah, just 1 minute. Let me look at the comments. Where am I from? From Nigeria, but I live in the Netherlands and in UAE 50% of my time. Let's see. And we'll just put this in the comment section. And then we'll finalize on gold. I think that's the last pair you guys want analysis on. Most of the pairs were already done. Most of these pairs are already done for the day anyways. So let's see. All right, let's finalize this on gold. 1 minute, guys. I'm sure some of you guys, just from watching my live stream, have made, if you put your intellect into it, and most of my students, they would have made some profits just from watching my live stream. Then we'll finalize on gold. All right, let's move on to gold. Let's see. So even this analysis, okay, when I'm done with my free analysis, I always put them in a private, not private, sorry, I said private. I always put them in a playlist, okay. The playlist is called free analysis. Okay, I have to do this. Try to forget about this. The playlist is called free analysis, and you can just check it there. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, gold. All right, with gold, yes, there are still opportunities. Okay, I don't know if you're in a gold trade. I don't know if you're trying to enter a gold trade, but sorry about that, guys. There are still opportunities on gold. Okay, there are still opportunities on gold. Gold is trying to get to at least 1.650. Okay, before the end of today. It might extend and go all the way to 1640 before the end of today. Yeah, I think it can get to 1640 before the end of the day, but I have a very high assurance and probability that it's going to touch at least 1650 before the end of today. Now, even if gold pulls all the way back to 1670, I wouldn't still start thinking, oh, you know, it's time for the reversal, it's time for this or that, unless we see it go beyond 1670. Okay, if it goes beyond 1670, I'm sure it's going to go all the way back to test at least 170, and from there decide if it's going to continue to go long or continue to go short. But my bias is that even though it's creating these two pins at this bottom here, which is probably going to give the people who are in the losing trade from here reasons to take more buys or hopes that their trade is going to come back to break even, I would still expect the market to drop before the end of today to 1650. Okay, the market is just going to try to fool dumb money traders, people that don't know what they are doing, into taking buys and then drop all the way down on their ass again to 1650. So yeah, there's not much to see on gold. My bias is short, and if you can look for an entry maybe somewhere around 1660, you know, let's see, yeah, 1660 or 166 166, let me see, 65. I doubt it to get there anyways. Yeah, I think it's just going to go around this area, which is the 1660 area. Okay, and then from there push all the way down again to 1650. Okay, so just be very cautious of this area. You can look for an entry to go all the way down if you want, if you actually trade gold. So you can add that to your bias or analysis that you already have. This is why I have the this is why I have the software. This is how I have the private room right now, so you can have a more in-depth look on it. You can look at entries, you can ask more questions on what you can do. He said someone says hi. T2 says, I miss your videos of you telling traders that they are stupid for listening to their mentors that use support and resistance. Yes, they are stupid, but if they want to keep on using support and resistance, they can keep using it. They are just dumb. Because think about it. Let's just sit down and think about it. If you sit down with me, the two of us sit down, we are not far away from each other. I am sitting here, okay, you are sitting here, okay, we face our computers to each other. We have both been taught support and resistance by the same mentor. Now, if the two of us draw support and resistance, do you think it will be the exact same spot? It will never be. That means that person is gambling and that other person is gambling. Everybody is guessing their support and resistance points. Everybody. So what makes you think that your own is the correct one? Let me use another example. One day, I took a buy on GBPJPY. This was years ago. My friend took a sell on GBPJPY, but he didn't know I took a buy on GBPJPY. We met somewhere and he was talking about his trades, and he said, oh, he took a sell on GBPJPY and he has been praying since morning that his trade is going to go into profit. He didn't know I took a buy on GBPJPY, and I also have been praying since morning that my trade will go into profit. So I sat down and thought about it, that whose prayer is God going to answer? Who deserves their prayers to be answered? That made me realize that this was just gambling. The moment you start praying and hoping, that's when you've lost. That is when you've lost. Support and resistance is gambling. The market cannot even see your support and resistance. The market does not care about your support and resistance. No one knows about your support and resistance except for you and your trading screen. So how is it going to matter? If you go to an exchange office, can you confidently tell them that this is where your support is, this is where your resistance is, and they should exchange money for you based on that? Can you do that? If you can't do that in real life, why do you then go in private when you are alone and do that with your own money on your own trading screen? Something you cannot do in public, you do it in private on your own account, and then you expect a different result. You know what the market is going to do when you are using support and resistance? Let me just tell you what the market is going to do. And then what is going to happen to you? And then most of you are just going to start acting shocked for no reason. Like, what else did you expect? I have to put the shock sound. Yeah, like, You get shocked for no reason. Like, what else did you expect? So, you know, you guys just play with your live account. You don't respect your money, and the reason why you don't respect your money is because you don't make withdrawals from your account. That's why you just play with your live account. It's just very infuriating, you know. So like I said, why are we here? At the end of the day, we're here to make money. We're here to make profits. We're here to compound our account. If you are not doing that, if you are focused on looking like a trader, sounding like a trader, talking like a trader, acting like a trader, you've forgotten why you are here, then you are lost. You are lost in the sauce. If you are not banking money, if you are not making cash, if you are not making withdrawals, if you are not seeing progress, if your emotions are not getting better, you know, then you're forgetting why you are here. At the end of the day, you are here to make profit, and that's why I get, you know, sometimes angry and aggressive, because for you guys it seems like it's play, it seems like it's a game. I'm trading a live account. I'm not playing with you. I'm not joking with you. I'm not trying to gamble or hope or guess, or, you know, all this kind of nonsense. Who is joking or who is playing with you? We're trading live accounts. We're taking risk. If I do something wrong, I lose money. Okay, I don't lose money, but, you know, I will be in a I will have to hedge out my trades, you know, which is just a waste of time for me, because I could be making profits, but it's still better than losing the trade. But I don't want to do that. I wouldn't want to do that. You know, it doesn't, you can't control it, but I wouldn't want to do that. I want to take the best trade to me. I want to take the most profitable trade to me, the best trade to me, you know, everything in my favor. And you guys think most of you guys think it's a joke, because you don't live off your account. You don't make withdrawals. So when I talk the way I talk, it's because I'm trading, you know, I have money at risk. I'm not playing with you. You can make your jokes, you can make your laugh, you can joke, you can go back and keep on pretending to trade, you can go back, keep on pretending to use your support and resistance and hoping that it's going to work one day, or finally the support and resistance gods are going to ordain you and finally give you access to the winning, be part of the winners. You know, you can do that on your own private time, but this is not Trading View chat section. Trading View chat section is there. There are a lot of losers that will enjoy your gambles and your analysis. Oh, they love losing in that Trading View chat section. You know, you can go there and do that. No worries. You know, but here we are serious about what we do. So Minele. Okay, I'm just going to call you. I don't even know what to call you. I'll call you Mine. I don't want to butcher your name. So you said, thank you for the XAUSD analysis. You need to do it analysis. So the reason why I don't do that is because I think a lot of people have started respecting themselves. They are not putting dumb comments in the chat section, in the comment section again. And a lot of people are actually starting to take this thing serious. What time is best for analysis? I'll say the higher time frame, mostly the higher time frame. But I scalp also, so I scalp on the lower time frame. And you know, when I scalp on the lower time frame, analysis is involved. You can do analysis on any time frame. Okay, it all depends on what you are using that time frame for. What are you using this time frame for? What are you using the 1 minute time frame to check? What are you using the 5 minutes time frame to check? What are you using the 1 hour time frame to check? What are you using the 4 hour time frame to check? What are you using the daily time frame to check? What are you using the weekly time frame to check? Each time frame has its own purpose, but most of you guys don't know that. There was one more thing I wanted to say before we end this live stream. It wasn't about the you distracted me, Franklin. But anyway, have I finalized what? Okay, yeah, so just like I said, gold will do. I would expect to pull back all the way to 1660, maybe a little bit above that, but still my bias is all the way down to 1650. Okay, all the way down to 1650, at least before the end of today. So what size of capital do you think, what size of capital do you think is good to go with your style of trading? It depends on what you want to do. Do you want to scalp? Do you want to hold your trades? Do you want to take high risk trades? Do you want to take low risk trades? I have multiple, like I've been saying, guys, I have playlists on my channel. All you need to do is check my playlist. I have playlist of growing a $200 account. I have playlist of growing a 50K account. I have playlist of different account sizes. I have playlist of growing a 5K account. Check this playlist, look at the trades that went on, and you can determine from there. You can determine from there. Jake Allison says, so which strategy, hard for me to say strategy. So which strategy, is it when I add it? So which strategy do you use? I scalp my trades. Sometimes I hold my trades long term. The reason why I scalp is my whole system is based on what do hedge funds do. If you just do a simple Google search, you can check hedge funds like Renaissance Capital. What do? They scalp on the lower time frame. They scalp on the second time frame. They scalp on the 1 minute time frame. They scalp on the 5 minutes time frame. Majority of hedge funds in the world scalp on the lower time frame. Okay, it's just there. It's out there. I don't know why you guys just don't. But anyways, why do I emulate what hedge funds do? Because hedge funds show their results every fucking year. Hedge funds show their results every fucking year, and they consistently use the same system every fucking year. You guys listen to mentors who are not even trading $50 accounts to teach you. That's who you learn from. And then you listen to them when they say support and resistance, trend line, price action, blah blah blah, all those nonsense, and then you put it on your own live account. Ask yourself, does that make sense? It does not, but you guys keep doing it. That's your problem. I don't care. It's not my account. It's your account. You can keep doing that if you want. If it makes sense to you, do that. Okay? Your problem. I, on the other hand, emulate what hedge funds do. Now, let me ask you another question. Do hedge funds use stop loss? These hedge funds that are trading hundreds of millions of dollars and billions of dollars, not a joke. They actually are doing it. Do they use stop loss? No, they do not. How do they exit their trades? They hedge their trades. So why are you listening to a dumb mentor who will not risk $50 to teach you and take live trades on what he's teaching you? He's telling you to use stop loss, and like a dumb, most of you are doing that. If using a stop loss is such a smart decision, why are hedge funds not doing that? You think they'll be taking $100,000 losses? You think they'll be taking $500,000 losses? It's just common sense, guys. It's just pure common sense. But anyways, I have the privilege of knowing this because I've actually met hedge fund managers. I've met in real life. I've met whales. I've met different type of people. So they tell me these things. I've met bank traders. I've met, people who trade for banks. So I've met these people in real life, and I've asked them. I've had the privilege to ask them questions. I've had the privilege to meet them and ask them these questions and learn from them. Okay, the best way to learn is by meeting someone in person. That's why I have the in-person course, which you can do in Dubai or you can do in Amsterdam or probably anywhere in Europe. So yeah, if they hedge out their trades, I learned how to emulate what they do and put that on a smaller account. Okay, because all it takes is just maths. Calculate it down to your account size, plain and simple. If the top 5% are hedging out their trades and scalping on the lower time frame, and sometimes holding their trades the way I do, why the fuck are you following 95% of the mentors who are telling you to use support and resistance, which is gambling, which is guessing, which are telling you to use more indicators? Which indicators is just a simple Google search. Can indicators predict the future? No! First page on Google will tell you no. What is an indicator? A bunch of calculations of what has happened in the past. It can never predict what will happen in the future. It just shows it in different rainbow colors. It's there on the first page of Google. So why do you guys keep on using it on your live account? It is because you don't respect your live account. It's because you have gotten lost in the source. You have gathered with losers and all of them are using it. So you guys have decided, if they're using it, I will also use it too. Can you show me 1 month results of you successfully using that with withdrawals? No, you cannot. But even after this live stream, some people are still going to use it. So you cannot stop people from being dumb, and I don't care because it's not my account. It's your account. If you decide you want to continue using it, be my guest. Your account. Keep on losing. Keep on blowing your account. But when your account blows, I'm trying to put the explosion. Yeah, when your account blows, do not come out to be acting shocked. Do not accept your loss because you are gambling and using rubbish systems. What support and resistance is a gamble. It's guessing. No one in the world except for you knows where your support and resistance is, and no one cares. You are using what 95% of the people are using, and you expect to be part of the top 5%. What makes you different from all the other 95% that are losing? Tell them to show me 1 month results with withdrawals. They cannot. But they come here and put in their comment in my comment section. Me, who has been growing accounts and be showing it almost every single day, and I have my FX book with almost 2 years of verified live trade. You want to come and tell me what to do and how to trade? You can't even show me 1 month results. So obviously I will get pissed off. Why don't you do it on your own account? Why are you telling me to do it? Do it on your own account. So annoying. So I emulate what the hedge funds do, and I've been successful with it for years. I've not needed to change my system. I've not needed to do anything. I've been using the same system for years. And the more you use the same system, the better you get. The more your confidence will grow. Any stupid mentor that tells you that you should just have confidence in your trade hates you. Because that's not how you have confidence. You gain confidence from experience of seeing something work over and over and over again. When you go to driving school, they don't drive and tell you have confidence in your trades. No, they make you drive, and the more you drive, the better you get, because you are using one system to learn to drive, and your confidence grows. You gain confidence by seeing your system work over and over and over again. The more you see it work, the more confidence you gain. But if you want to keep on using your nonsense, by all means, you can do whatever you want. It's not my account. I don't care. If you want to learn how to do things the right way, buy the course. Plain and simple. Is demand and supply okay? Jake Allison, you just heard my speech. I hope you can decipher if it is okay or not. You know it is gambling. You have never seen somebody show you 1 month results with it being successful, and they made withdrawals and entered the next month, became successful with it and made withdrawals. You have never seen that happen. So just try to use common sense, and from what you've seen, ask yourself, is this really okay? Does it really work? Just apply common sense. So AKNS says, okay, we'll check those out. Thanks. You're welcome. Where's the clapping? So Abdul Hakim Nazari says, hi Solomon, you put the horizontal line. What is this if it's not support and resistance? Thanks for your answer. There was a time a lot of people used to come and someone asked, oh, what's that line? And some dum-dum, let me just say dum-dum, would tell the other people, oh, it's support and resistance. I usually block people like that from my channel. They will never have the possibility of subscribing to my channel. This is not trading view chat section. If you don't know what something is, do not tell another person, oh, it is this. Okay, it is not support and resistance. Okay, if you want to know what it is, buy the course. It's plain and simple. So yeah, that's the end. I will be ending this stream in about 5 minutes. So if you have any last minutes final questions, let me know. And hope you guys have a nice weekend and a nice trading week ahead. And remember, if you want to be part of the private signals / analysis just like this, which will be more in-depth, I'll actually go more in-depth into it and reveal more things, and things like entries. We'll talk about all those starting next month. You can click the join button straight from YouTube and become a member. And if you just want to show support, you can just show support, because I usually live stream my trades, and I'm sure a lot of you just benefit off that, just seeing me live stream my trades for free. So with the private analysis / signals, there will be more of a schedule every week for live streams like this, private live streams like this. So like I said, you can contact me on Telegram and WhatsApp, and you can join the Telegram group, because I randomly, when I feel like, do free analysis sessions like this, so you can always stay aware. So T2 says, please Solomon, can you show us how you hedge a trade? Get the course, buy the course. Okay, you get the software that will actually even tell you where to hedge and when to hedge. Okay, this is the difference between hedging and using a stop loss. For example, you have a live account. Okay, you take a trade, you make profits, you keep it. You take a trade, you make profits, you keep it. You make a loss, you lose it, your account goes low. You take a trade, you make a profit, you keep it. You make another loss, your account goes low. You take a trade, you make profit, you keep it. You take a trade, you make profit, you keep it. Now you're trying to be smart. Okay, you increase your lot size. You take a trade, you keep it. Now you go into a losing streak. You take a trade, you lose it. You take a trade, you lose it. Now you're trying to revenge trade. You take sorry. You take a trade, you lose it. Now your account is back to break even. You take another trade, you're angry, you are not doing your analysis properly, your emotions are getting in the way. You take a trade, you lose it. Before you know it, you crash the whole account. Okay, plain and simple. I'm sure a lot of people, a lot of you guys have gone through this, done this, over and over and over again. Now, when you are using a hedging system, you take a trade, you make profit, you keep it. You take a trade, you make profit, you keep it. Okay, you lose a trade, you hedge it out, you stay in the same position. You lose another trade, let's say you even go on a 5 losing streak. Okay, you lose 5 trades, you hedge it out, you stay in the same position. You take a trade, you keep it. You take a trade, you keep it. You lose a trade, you stay in the same position because you hedge it out. This is the only way you can compound your account. You can never compound your account by using a stop loss. But if you want to keep using that, your choice. It's your account. I don't care. You can do whatever you want. The people who are trading hundreds of millions of dollars and billions are not using it. You who are trading $500, $1,000 accounts, maybe 2,000, feel like you are smarter than them and you want to keep using stop loss. Your choice. Be smarter than them. Lose your account in peace. It's not that hard. But like I said, you can never grow an account. You can never compound an account by using stop loss. The only way you can do that is by using a hedging system to hedge out your trades. You can simply just do a Google search and check out what hedge funds use. Okay, check hedge funds like Renaissance Capital. It's just there on Google, first page. Neotran says, hello Solomon. Okay, they say hello Solomon, but now you guys know my name, Solomon, because some of you guys just message me, give me analysis. You don't even know my name. Some of you guys don't even know my name. You've just been profiting off my channel. You've been profiting off my free analysis, and you don't know my name. So Neotron says, are you trading anything right now? Yes, I did show that I was in a trade. I've been trying to take a trade since, but most of the time, I took about 4 trades yesterday. They all hit break even. So let me just show you the trades that I'm taking right now. Yeah, so currently I'm in this trade right now. Okay, I'm still trying to take a buy on USDJPY. This is my trade, this is my experiment, this is my gamble. Okay, I'm not telling you to take a trade. This is not a signal. Okay, so let's get back into the analysis. Hope that answers your question. Ekene says you are the best, bro. Where is this? Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, how to subscribe to get the software? You can just send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. What's your name? Tanvir, or you can just go to the website and check the courses out yourself. Okay. After I'm done answering these questions, I'm gonna end the stream. Shining Sun says, still don't have good entry to put the order. Slow market. I have no idea what you're talking about. All right, so yeah, that's the end of the stream. Hope you guys have a nice trading session ahead. And before I end the stream, let me just put the links one last time, and then yeah.